Hey guys, just got this in the mail the other day. It's a Tokarev M57. Just thought I'd do a video to open it up so you can see how they come. It's just a regular cardboard box. Gonna just pop her open here. I already know it's gonna be really greasy. So a little bit of junk paper. There we are right there. They just have her sitting right in there. If I pop it out for you. One of the things we'll do is just kind of give it a quick run through. Pop that greasy old clip out. Nothing in it. And we're going to just kind of prove this thing's safe. And it's clean. And it's sticky. So there we are. That's what she looks like. This one has a little ringlet on the top. I do have a different grip coming. When it does come, I'll do a little video on the grip on there. I'm just going to let this off. I can. I can't because I took the clip out. There's the other side. All we've got to do is remove this pin and we can break it all down and get all that grease off there. Anyways, I'll do another video with us cleaning it up. Thanks guys.